In this video, you'll learn how to refactor code using Claude Code. By following these steps, you will be able to enhance the quality of your code base efficiently and effectively. Begin by opening PowerShell on your computer. Once PowerShell is open, you need to navigate to your project folder. Use the command cd cpath to your project to change the directory. Make sure to replace cpath to your project with the actual path to your project. Claude requires access to this folder in order to see all your files and make necessary changes. After navigating to your project folder, the next step is to start Claude. Simply type Claude into the PowerShell window and press enter. This action connects Claude to your project, allowing it to read all the files within the directory you have specified. Once Claude is running, you can begin to give it instructions to refactor your code. It is important to note that you do not need to write code manually. Instead, you will type plain English instructions that Claude can understand. For instance, you could instruct Claude to refactor functions for clarity, or give a more specific command like refactor all functions in main.py to be smaller and single responsibility. You could also ask Claude to rename unclear variables by stating something like rename all variables in app.js to be descriptive and meaningful. Additionally, if you want to organize your code better, you could say move all database code into a separate module. This makes your code more maintainable and easier to understand. Another useful command is to optimize repeated code. For example, you might instruct Claude to combine repeated code blocks in main.go into reusable functions. If your project uses JavaScript, you can also update your code to modern language features by asking Claude to convert all JavaScript code to use ES6 syntax with arrow functions and const/let. Lastly, ensure proper error handling by specifying add try/catch for all functions in Python that might raise exceptions. After you have provided all your instructions, Claude will edit your files automatically. This process will take a moment depending on the complexity of the changes and the size of your code base. It is important to review the changes made by Claude to ensure they meet your expectations before finalizing any updates.